Help support the companies that support our community. All right, we wanted to do a wrap-up video for the year, and first of all, I want to say thank you to everybody out there who watches the videos, comments on the videos. We really appreciate it, and we could not do this without you. And I also want to thank our sponsors, Easy Wood and Woodcraft. Thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate it. So I want to talk about a couple things we had happened last year, and moving forward, what we're going to be doing next year. So. Some of you may not know, but we bought Niles bottle stoppers, so we're super excited about that. Ruth Niles has been a friend of ours for years, and we see her at all of the shows. And so we bought the business from her, and we are just head first into it, and we were super excited about it. So over the last probably 8 or 9 months, Robin designed a new bottle stopper, the 7000. So we just came out a few months ago, and then we just released this probably a month ago, are the threaded rings. So these are for vessels and urns and things like that. We have a couple different sizes, but we're working on getting another size out there too. So super excited about that. It's just, yeah, it's a whole learning curve, and Ruth has been teaching us everything, but as of now, we have completely taken over, and she has taken up carving and enjoying that. So she's fine. It's all good. But yeah, we're doing all the shipping and everything out of our actual spare rooms. So, and I want to say thank you to all of her customers that she had before that have stuck with us, and all the new customers as well. So we're excited to be moving forward with that. We'll be coming out with some new things as well. But as far as the manufacturing and everything, it's all staying the same. Everything's staying here. It's all made in Missouri. So we're not changing that of it. We're just trying to come up with some new products and things. So over the last year, I was just going back, Robin and I were looking through the last year's videos, and there's a theme of basket illusion in just a bunch of them, and I didn't realize how many like basket illusion videos we did. We did the honey pot where we inlaid some of Zach Higgins' the beehive, the honeycomb in the top of it. That was a fun one. I did a basket illusion where it was a dress, a little female form. We did an opal bowl. That wasn't a basket illusion, but that was a fun one. It was a natural edge bowl that I had turned, and I believe it was on a live show or a class, and it had cracked. So I went back in and used easy inlay and filled in that crack. So I really like the way that one came out. Another fun one was the hollow form where I actually hollowed it out from the bottom and then drilled a hole in from the side. So it didn't really look like you could figure out where you hollowed it out from. But that was another fun one. And the inlay lidded box, that was another one. There's been several of them. We just kind of picked out a few that were our favorites. But and I believe we talked to Jamie, so the craft festival is going to be starting back up here pretty soon, the virtual craft festival. So we'll be getting back into that. Over last year, we did a couple symposiums too. So we did the AEW and we did that kind of with Easy Wood tools as far as Niles goes, but we went to the SWAT symposium, and we actually did the whole booth as Niles bottle stoppers. So that was exciting. Paul, our machinist, came down. He's up in Missouri, so he came down with his son, and we just hung out for the whole weekend, and it was nice as far as just getting our feet wet. And if you haven't been to SWAT, that is one of the symposiums, always at the end of August in Waco, Texas, and it is fantastic. Everybody there is so nice. They're so willing to help. It's just a great symposium. So if you're looking to go to one of them, I would definitely check out the SWAT symposium in Waco. It's a lot of fun. So this year, Coming up, we have one coming up in March, the Oregon Symposium, and it's in Albany, and then we'll be in Kentucky for the AAW, and then we'll be at SWAT in Texas. So, and we're going to be, as far as those go, we'll have the Niles booth and everything there. All right. Again, guys, thank you so much. Rob and I we support it, or really appreciate your support. And as far as the videos and as far as Niles goes, it means a lot to us, and we really appreciate it. All right, I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I hope you have a safe and happy New Year. All right, take care, and we will see you next week.